What is up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Togy, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own dubstep build up and drop. First thing is first, let's talk about the build up. Very easy, actually. You just want to add some snares, some kicks, and some pitch, some rides, maybe at the end. Sounds like this. I just add a snare loop, my own snare loop, kicks. Very easy. If you're looking for an in-depth guide, you might not find this video helpful. But if you know something about FL Studio, this is the perfect tutorial if you want to learn some dubstep. Then some effects, crashes, uplifters. Why is this here? Get out of here. An impact, some uplifters. I don't know if I already said that. I feel like I have. Yeah, just some effects. So it sounds a bit like this. And personally, what I have is a melody in my drop, but if you don't have a melody in your drop, you can just use the bass or like chuck, and you can like filter that in, or if you make tear out like the gun bass rhythm. But I'm using this melody in my drop, and I filter it in and reverb it out. And last but not least, I added this. Then the drop. I know the build-up has been quite fast, but you know, the build-up usually not that hard. This is usually the part that takes me a very long time. The drop. Yeah, so I started this drop off with a 1 bar fake out. That was everything. It's, as you can see, very minimal, but it's very effective, right? After a very energetic build-up. To like go down in energy and then open it up with screeches and subs and not a lot of things. It's a heavy kick in this pre-fake out. And a ride. It's the ride that I use in every track. A crash. Same one on the build-up. And yeah, that's for the effects. I add this. And then with this one. And then we go into the main drop, which has the main chucks. A sub. A screech. If you want to create that effect on your screech, just use effector. I have Vox with the tempo. You can and you can use these Y-axis. And yeah, you can create just what you want and then layer it on top of your chuck and sub, and then you have this. And then you think, okay, it's kind of empty. Let's add a vocal Reese thing. So that's what I did. I added a vocal and a Reese thing. That's the vocal. One-shot thing, and I added my Reese. I made the Reese. This is my Reese, and then together, it's kind of nice. It's yeah, and then with the big impact of this all, it's like that's pretty sick. We have also this. It's just simply a little bit of a bring in the ruckus light. Bring in the ruckus light. Yeah, so it's basically saying like, bring in the ruckus, like, and subscribe. Oh my god, that was a terrible joke. So we have a little fill right over here, like the one. And then we also have a and some heavy drums. And basically, yeah. The melody bass from the intro I added here, and I followed the bass line with the screech and sub. Same with this one. I added this weird effect in the second part of the second chuck part. I call it the chuck part, and then the melody part. Did we even go over the drums? I can't remember. I don't think so. Let me just quickly. So we have. And then we have the we have the kick, a snare, a clap, another clap, a china, and breaking glass. Some rides, which I'm not even playing. A hat, another little hat with reverb and delay. A reverse snare into this. Yeah, you know what I mean. And this, which I got from this loop. I don't even know where this is from. LSUK2 bonus loop. It's just pretty sick. This oh no, that's pretty good, but this needs to be here. Okay. Now it's done. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been it's been my very first tutorial, so yeah. I hope you understand. If not, I'm sorry, but I hope you like the end result. Let's listen to it. Die uit dan. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is a Togy production. This is a track that I am working on, and yeah, if you enjoyed this episode of my first tutorial, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. I always appreciate that. I love reading them. If you have any video suggestions, leave it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Togy out.